It's actually doing video right now. Today's video is sponsored to you by the Ventilation Fan. That way you don't have to light a match after you're done. Save a building, use a ventilation fan. For fun things to do here in Grand Rapids, we got a pretty good sized river. I'm going to hang around here for a while with a friend of mine, watch him do some fishing, see if I can't film him reel something cool in. Well, we're out here trying to fish. Don't know what he'll catch, but we're having fun if nothing else.
Steve, you could have been here. We invited you.
There you go, bombs away. Trying to get itself some catfish here.
Ah. Oh, that's a good eating sign. Yeah, what's somebody at work wanted some.
It's actually doing video right now.
Alright, there you go.
And when they're not biting, just record someone else catching. It's good enough. So I started off to make a video on fishing with a couple of my coworkers, and it kind of morphed into a nature video. I don't have any video footage, I just have stills, but this hawk was fishing and I pulled out the other camera. I wanted to opportunize to get a couple stills because I don't have many photos of a hawk and none that are really any good. So 2 or 3 times the hawk would dive bomb, and sometimes I'd lose focus on it, sometimes I was able to keep focus on it, but I just kept at it, and eventually the hawk caught a fish. So I'm going to put a couple of those in here for you so you can see a couple of these stills. So while waiting for them to catch a fish, I got a treat for you. Here's a hawk doing some fishing. Check these photos out. These are just too cool. So I went back to making the video on fishing, and now some blackbirds are at the edge of the river getting a drink of water, and I'm like, well, I've always wanted to photograph the blackbirds because they look really cool. You catch them in the right light, their heads turn purple and stuff like that. And I really wanted to get a couple of close-ups. They were really close to him. I'm like, yeah, I think this will work great. So what started off as a video on fishing turned into a video on bird watching. Take a look at a couple of these images. They're just gorgeous. So when I'm making these videos, I try to keep aware of what's going on around me, because in this case, stopping the video and getting the photographs of the hawk was far better than the video ever could have been. No offense, Manford, but truth is, the hawk is just that much cooler than the fish. But I got a little bit of fishing video in here too. So I hope I can turn this into a cohesive video. It'll be an interesting challenge. Yeah, it looks like it's turning out to be more of a bird watching video than a fishing video. So have fun editing this. If you've liked this video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for future episodes, and please share this video for others to enjoy. Have a great day. When you're out and about, pay attention to your surroundings. You never can tell what you'll see. In this case, I mean, I found a hawk and it was fishing. That's something I've never seen before in my life. I've seen other videos of people recording stuff like this. I've never recorded anything like this myself. I got a couple really nice still images. I'm really happy with them, and I'm glad I could share those with you today.